Hi everyone, excuse my mess. This is Christina from Christina Welch Art. I've been busy doing box tops. I've got a messy bin, but I'm hoping I can create something beautiful right here and not here. So tonight's color palette is Oceanus by Color Art, Primary Elements. It's a very pretty color. And then I'm also using the Robin's Egg from Color Art. It has a pretty shift to it. And this is Azurite, one of my favorite colors from Color Art. It's an absolutely gorgeous dark blue, almost a Payne's gray, but it does have just a hint of a green blue in there. It's a beautiful color. And then I'm going to be using Freesia. This is kind of a purpley gold interference. It is running a little thick. I'm going to thin this down a little bit before we get started. But those are my 4 colors for a box top. I'm going to be doing a white background, 3 blooms, and blowing them out, trying to connect them. We'll spin it out, and then we'll come back and we'll talk. But thank you for joining me today. Hit that thumbs up while you're here. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get started. All my pigments are dispersed in the Josanya varnish first, to like about a teaspoon, to my powdered pigment. And then I add the Bear Dynasty in the green can as my untinted house paint base. And that's how we develop those colors. My base paint is PPG Eggshell, and that you can get at Home Depot. So without further ado, let's play.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are meant to be.
Does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. to start with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I know the sign was given. It's in the way you move and in the sound of your heart. We tend to fall together, fall in love, and still in the end we'll fall apart. So his hope is that we stay close, but it's the life that we chose. It takes time to get it right. Sleepless days and nights. We just need a little more. Just a little time for you and I. So stay a bit longer. Just a little time for you and I, until it's all over. Just a little time. I think that we got blinded, 'cause when it's good it's great, so we can't see we're fading away. So his hope is that we stay close, but it's the life that we chose. It takes time to get it right. Sleepless days and nights. We just need a little more. Just a little time for you and I. So stay a bit longer. Just a little time for you and I, until it's all over. Just a little time. Just a little time.
So there it is, everyone. The colors are beautiful. I totally love that shifting that we're getting from the freesia, because it did put a little purple in there, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's there. Like if you look right here, you can see the purple. So it's so pretty. So that's going to be it for that one, guys. The colors are phenomenal. definitely going to use these colors again on probably a different shape box. But I'm loving it. Thank you so much for joining me. And check me out every Monday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. I do my live pouring, so we do stuff like this. And then on Thursday nights, I do my tutorials until the end of the year. Then we're going to switch it up a little bit. But thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.